are pleased to show you the 2021 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, FWD, remote trunk release, 4-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires front all season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.